You're trying to pull your drunk out in front of little 10-year-olds, so...
Alright, put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
He's trying to kill me! He's trying to kill me! Oh my god, he tried to kill me!
Okay. We're not gonna be doing that.
On August 14, 2024, in Joliet, Illinois, officers responded to reports of a man behaving erratically near the intersection of Woodruff Road and Draper Avenue. When police arrived, they encountered Winston Hart, whose actions led to a tense confrontation and eventual detention. Moments later, officers applied restraints and a spit hood before transporting Hart for medical evaluation at Silver Cross Hospital.
You step back out this way, you're going in handcuffs. That's great. There's nothing there anyways.
Not much.
Yeah, exactly.
Something's there.
No.
Unlike you in your soul.
No.
At least I fight in race riots for my race. What do you do?
Congrats.
No.
You gonna go inside?
You gonna go inside?
Fucking war, you fucking pussy.
Oh yeah?
You're trying to pull your drunk out in front of little 10-year-olds, so...
No, I didn't.
You're doing that to us and they're standing right there.
Jesus Christ.
That's great.
Down the block.
They're 50 feet that way.
Oh, I'm not showing my dick to kids.
That's what it seems
That's what
like.
it just looked like.
They're like, way the
That's what
That
it
doesn't
just looked
matter.
like.
You're out
You
here
wanna
in
be arrested for
public.
sex offender, you can do that.
Bro, if you want,
Wait, can you go inside?
then you can talk
Do you
like
do you
that.
actually live here? Do you actually live here? Does he live here? No?
Alright, put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Why?
Put your hands behind your back.
Why?
Nope. You step back out here. You're going to an ambulance now. Put your hands behind your back.
No, I'm not, because I didn't do anything wrong. I'm gonna sue you, I'm a Jew.
That's great.
Alright.
11. We haven't been detained. Can you try to keep this okay? Welcome to the car or something.
Yep.
Wait, what did I
Are these
do?
your pants right here or no?
That's
In the roadway. Pants in the roadway.
you guys just arrested me for what?
Nope. You are crazy. You're running around in your
Why am I
underwear.
insane?
You're over here trying to hump the
Wait, I
pole.
feel like I'm being kidnapped.
Are these your
Nope.
pants? You got them?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
Yep.
You arrested me for what?
Nope. You are being detained for your own well-being because obviously from how you're being, you can't.
What crime have I committed?
Well, you're over here dancing around, harassing kids, walking naked in the street. Yep. Trying to hump the pole.
You're trying to help people.
Yep.
Why
You
you
literally got
fucking
your eye-
getting violent?
Because I'm telling you, stay right
You
there.
know you're on film.
Yeah.
You
we
know
got
you're on camera.
We do.
And this is 2024.
That's
and I
great.
can, like, ruin your whole
You want to sit him in the
career.
back? Oh, put his pants on right there.
11.
You
Go
realize
ahead.
I can, like, ruin your
Hold on.
career.
That's great. Intoxicated.
It's 2024. I can ruin your whole career.
That's great.
Are you able to put these on right now or no?
What the fuck?
Your pants. They're
This motherfucker just tore my pants off of me like a
No.
fucking rapist.
No, he didn't. Are you able to put
Yes,
these on?
he did.
Are you
I
able
would
to put
like
these on or
to
no?
speak with your sergeant. I would
Yep.
like to speak with your sergeant.
Nope.
Yes, I would like. I have every right to speak with your sergeant.
So then you can call him when you're done.
Nope. I
Yep.
have every right now to speak with your sergeant.
Well, you can yell for him, but you can do that
He
yourself.
knows I can. I am asking to speak with your sergeant,
Mm-hmm.
and I feel like I am being abused
That's great.
and detained
Mm-hmm.
without any evidence of any crime at all.
Well, you're running around naked, yelling at children
I am not naked at
in
all.
your underwear, and then you were decided to hump a pole. And I told you if you step back over here, you were going to become my problem.
I holes you would never live again. But you didn't listen.
Yeah, you want to live on here for now or?
Yeah, we're going to leave him here.
So what's your first name, man?
Poop, man.
Well, if you actually want to speak with the white shirt, you have to give us your information so they know what they're talking about.
Alright, do you want me to spit on your dick or on your
No.
face?
Neither.
Yeah, but-
So what's your first name?
Hey, yeah, I'm going to talk to that guy.
He tried to kill me! He tried to kill me! He tried to kill me! Oh my god, he tried to kill me! Oh no, he tried to kill me! He was trying to kill me! Oh no! He tried to kill me!
Buddy,
Oh no!
you gotta calm down before you can
Oh
get the
my
ammo.
god, he tried to kill me!
You wanna go to the hospital or jail?
He's trying to kill me! Hey, just unchain me when we go to bed.
Finally, too much, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or I sue the whole fucking county. Just unchain me.
Okay, I'm not gonna do any of that. You're gonna get on the cot and you're gonna relax.
I'm gonna sue the whole county if
That's
you
great.
fucking take me.
Go ahead and try it.
You have the right to do that.
Alright.
You guys connected with them? Wasn't busy. No. Oh, that's not good.
We're not gonna be doing that.
Okay.
We're not gonna be doing that.
You have the.
Hi, y'all.
Very nice. Winston Hart?
Yep. I thought Winston was going to be his last name, but now it's his first name. And then, hey, did he make any suicidal statements or anything like that to you?
No, he just keeps saying he's going to kill us. Yeah, good job.
You're kidding me. Without any real crime, you've decided to just grab me off the street. I'm getting money over this. You have detained me for nothing.
Well, you now spit on 3 different people,
Hey,
so
I don't
and kick one in the
respect you
face.
because you look like Winnie the Pooh, asshole.
Yeah.
Hey, can I lick this guy's nipples, Winnie the Pooh? Is that okay?
Hey, my friend, do you enjoy prison?
You know what I enjoy? When I tell my Nazi friends to
My friend, well, guess what? Assaulting healthcare professionals is a felony, so I hope you enjoy prison, dude.
I hope you're ready for fucking death.
Following the incident, Winston Hart was charged with multiple offenses, including public indecency, resisting arrest, and making threats toward officers. He was later evaluated at Silver Cross Hospital before being transferred to the Joliet Police Department for booking. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such videos.